What's going on, guys? Welcome. Super excited to hear because I'm not sure what to do about this dip. How you doing, Ivana? Hey, guys, welcome aboard. My name is Oscar Ramos. Well, guys, what an amazing time in the markets. And yes, you're hearing this right. Right now, the stock market is 1,400 points. The Nasdaq, the cryptocurrency market, we're seeing right now 1.89. Earlier today, let me go ahead and show you this that I found. Boom. Look at this. We saw this on 8:40 a.m. Central. We're seeing 39,000. And from everything that we know, less than 40,000 was the support that a lot of people were really cautious about, right? So there's some reasons why cryptocurrency is coming down. That's what it is. Eduardo, morning. That's awesome. Hello to Miami. That's fantastic, guys. Well, at this time, we see a bounce in Bitcoin, so that is great. Everybody, welcome aboard. Get ready. And we're going to be discussing what's going on with the cryptocurrency markets. First and foremost, are we selling, guys? Are we just leaving all this amazing cryptocurrency investing and stock market investing, and are we just living out? Absolutely not. If there's one thing you got to take from this video is do not panic sell. It's going to be fine. This happens, and it is what it is, man. Typically, last year at the end of December, mid-December, so we had, even September, we had this type of levels, especially on Bitcoin, on Crowcoin, everybody. This is what we're looking at right now. I'm going to go ahead and do the 5 days. See a little bit more closely. I'm going to go ahead and remove the VV. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Man, we're getting hammered right now with the cryptocurrency space. That's for sure. I'm going to go ahead and there you go. Zoom in a little bit more. So there it is. This is what we're looking at right now. What is the price label right here? We got to 42 cents. So very close to that 30-cent average, guys. ACL list from Binance. That is amazing. That's a great job. Oscar Greer from Oscar Lativia. Very excited, guys. Awesome. So the idea for this crash that we're seeing right now definitely is a couple of things that are happening in the market. So let's go ahead and discuss them right now. If you like the live, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you here and give you a shout out and turn on those notification bells. Do know, where is it? Here it is. Do know that also the stock market is doo-doo, like it's also coming down. So that is great because I was, like I told you yesterday, I need to start my Roth IRA. So definitely buying at these times is perfect. I've been investing in the stock market for the last 2 years. This is normal. This is absolutely normal. I've been investing in the cryptocurrency market for more than a year. This is normal. That's gonna be fine. The idea that every time that we come to these levels, all the people start seeing and start talking that we're gonna be ending the cryptocurrency is a scam or whatever type of project is not worth it. I think the idea, of course, is always to recognize, are you putting your money in good, reliable investments, in good projects? And I am. And typically, the projects that I talk about in the channel are projects that I do have some belief for the future. And some of them I do have much higher exposure by putting more money. But guys, always do your research and know what you're getting into, right? But one of the things that you have to know is cryptocurrency right now. In 2020, everything just started with Dogecoin and people getting on board. I'm talking about the mainstream investors. But when it comes to 2021, it exploded. So not surprised that it's taken a little bit of a relief. Talking to the general market of cryptocurrencies, right? Some people say in Texas fan 36K, it is what it looks like. Well, I did ask you, right, on YouTube, are we just barely starting with the bear market with the dip? And most of you guys say no, right? This is gonna continue, or is this the bottom? That was the question. Is this the bottom? And most of you say no, we're barely starting. In my opinion, guys, always DCA, dollar cost average, because I do want to get some exposure in the market at these levels. Makes total sense to me. I mean, Bitcoin at 40,000, are you kidding me? That means that from right now to the top is 30,000 profit, easy. Ethereum is at 3,000. It was at 20, it was less than 3,000 a couple minutes ago. So definitely I if I'm not mistaken, I think I got some Ethereum at above 3,000 too. So right now it's a perfect time in my opinion. So all the different projects are fantastic, guys. 500 Crow at cheap. Of course, Crow is also cheap, guys. I mean, right now Crow is 44, 42, 40. So everything right now, it's a deal that I'm not gonna miss. I'm buying as soon as my fiat deposit clears, and I'm also buying more long-term portfolio. So here it is. Let's go ahead and start talking about the reasons, right? Because it's always important to be educated when it comes to what's going on with the markets, and I mean, what can we do about it? But typically, guys, this is what's going to happen. We cannot do anything to correct what the market is doing, but the only thing we can do is just to not panic sell. And if you want to and so desire, maybe get other further positions. That's what it is, because that's what I'm doing. To start, let me tell you that the fear is extreme as always. So ever since the beginning of December, we really haven't had any type of pumps general in the entire market. We haven't had anything. So definitely it's been a while since investors have seen that. And if you're watching this video, if you are following up with the cryptocurrency trends, you are way ahead of the game, because at least you know that we have this two-roll system where sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down, sometimes the downside take a long time to correct, and I think that's what we're seeing thus far. And in my opinion, as you continue increasing your money and as much income that you're getting, these are the times for you to get in on board. That's my opinion, guys. That's honestly what I think, and super excited that we are here for the long-term game. This is a long-term game, everybody. I'm not here for the quicks, for some projects, right? Highly recommend. I mean, what I'm doing, I think is fantastic, which is building some type of foundations that can be staked, earn interest for later on success. I love that, everybody. Later on success, that's what I like. Okay, that being said, so what's going on in the markets? Definitely the drops in the December jobs report Friday, as well as Wednesday release of minutes from the Federal Reserve Board on the meeting, which signal a winding down of the monetary measures to boost the economy as it continues to improve. So because of this pandemic, the Fed, the government, they're trying to reduce the money they're injecting into the economy. Definitely that sends a signal. For the stock market, definitely they're reducing the interest rates in the 10-year treasury bond. That also has an impact, especially in the stock market. This is all transitory. What do I mean with transitory? All of this, we're going to see different correction. We're going to see a complete opposite bull run in the future. I've seen this multiple times. These are just a couple of the reasons why we see this extend, like this pain extend, which is fine. It is what it is. Let me go ahead and show you this one. If you weren't aware, the major mining pool issue in Kazakhstan, that's another one where between January 5th and 6th, the hash rate of the top mining pools fell by 11%. Fell by 11%. There you go, guys. Internet went dark. So the loss narrowed around 2.2% according to the data mining pool BTC, according to the CoinDesk. So it's getting a little bit tedious, right, when Bitcoin mining tries to operate, but the government are kind of like preventing that to happen. We know that happens in China. We know other different countries stop that because it's a lot of energy consumption. As we move forward, I expect proof of work to start transitioning to a more cleaner solutions like proof of stake. That's what I'm doing, and I mean that's fantastic. So it will take some time, definitely, but it's fine. We're gonna be fine. Texas fan, what's going on? Just got 100 more crow. That is awesome. Hey, what would you take your ad profit to burn Shiba? Because my profit to burn Shiba. That's a good question. Not looking into that at this time. Shiba is gonna take a while, but that's a good question. Fear of Deltacron. Oh, is that another one? Man, that's nice. That's amazing. Oscar Batacan with another banger. What's going on, BPC? Welcome. Harold. Welcome aboard, Harold. Glad to have you here. So The hash rates, look, I'm not a Bitcoin miner, I'm not a proof of work miner, but I mine my helium. You guys know about my helium mining, which I love. It takes a while, it's not sexy sometimes to wait for the rewards to happen, but it is what it is. And I can just imagine how much money people are spending to mine Bitcoin, and the factory is getting shut down. So that also affects as a whole. It's like a compounding effect for the price of Bitcoin to come down. Classic, right? Bitcoin is off to its worst annual start since the dawn of crypto. And that is weird because typically, guys, I was hearing all this great news about crypto, about Bitcoin, and you see how it starts super high, super awesome. And at this time in 2022, that wasn't the case. But it's fine. Take a look at this. Cryptocurrencies are likely to remain under pressure as the Fed continues reducing its liquidity injections. What I was saying, the chief executive infrastructure capital advisors. So it's happening, with the Fed definitely doing some stuff, and that will affect the crypto markets for a while, but not forever. Not forever. It's good to buy low, recover, but higher dips to compensate. That is exactly my message. My message here, everybody. That although we're starting to see these massive dips just for a while, how and why is cryptocurrency crashing or dipping down? Because oftentimes there's some external factors that we just cannot do anything as the retail consumers. The only thing I can do, and I'm going to continue doing because I'm here for the long term, is never panic, sell, diversify, and buy what I can afford losing. At the end of the day, when I start zooming out, everybody, this looks like peanuts. Take a look at this. Bam. So imagine, guys, there it is. This is Bitcoin, guys. So we are looking at 2017, $5,000, and right now it's $40,000. You go to Twitter right now and just start looking at all these amazing influencers when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin. They're gonna start telling you zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. So it gets repetitive. Don't get me wrong, but I think most of us have heard. Maybe you're not part of that group, but most of us have heard that cryptocurrency will make you rich super fast, because they're going to explode to the moon. And although that's true, it's just not according to the normal Shiba Inu type of dogecoin timeline, right? Which, of course, I will want it to happen, because who wants to continue working or who wants to continue going to your 9 to 5 that you may don't like? The idea, of course, is to take a look at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for either trading view or an investing view. It really depends what you guys are looking for. But in my case, these are the times, man, that I'm looking forward to buy the dip in the altcoins that we're looking for, right? Welcome aboard, guys. Go ahead and tell me your questions right now. We're talking about cryptocurrency. Why is it crashing? Why is it down? Well, classic government, classic economic policy, monetary policy, raising the interest rates, reducing the injection of the capital in the capital markets, so like the money in the capital markets, tensions in geopolitical unrest, and some of the different factors with Bitcoin not letting them operate. All those things. Wow. What a great way to start 2022, don't you think? Just to realize that in 2021, Bitcoin was absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, here it is. Here it is, guys. So look, November, December, January. So look, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is what's happening, everybody. This is what's happening. November, October, November, December, January, February, March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of bull run. 6 months of bull run. That's what I'm waiting for, guys. That's me. How about you, everybody? Let's go. WAD, welcome aboard. Let's go. Working and listening to Go Your Stream. I appreciate it, my man. Welcome, guys. So always, you want to go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing so you never miss an update. Some people told me that YouTube is not sending notification. Well, classic YouTube, but we're here. Of course, I know that Oftentimes, people are not at less interested when it comes to crypto and knowledge because of the price is down. But of course, I'm of the idea that once everything starts picking it back up, we're gonna be looking much better. Let's go, Texas fan. Of course, ACH will have more partnerships. Just imagine Harold Air or Alchemy Pay. That's another big one, right? We talked about Alchemy Pay. I mean, the idea with this, and this is what I super like about cryptocurrency, everybody. Although I'm gonna go ahead and delete this 41 so we can see the terrible 539. Although, right, cryptocurrency is down, stocks are down. Although that's happening, guys, what is the project doing? Is the project doing fantastic? Are they getting more adoptions? Are they probably getting more listings, which is more liquidity and volume? Are they getting better scalability, security, protecting their users? Are they actually having some utility when it's actually in the hands of people? For example, NFT, non-fungible tokens. Once you have a project, can you tokenize, gamify that to a game, crypto game, or an NFT, so people recognize your brand and use it later on? That's what's happening, of course, with ADA, with ADA punks. That's what happens with Ethereum, with crypto punks. So you need to start creating that community and engagement, so you have people talking about it without you spending some ad money. On top of that, they see value, and when people see value on it, the sky is the limit. There only needs to be a different and a nice second bull run, guys. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and show you here my where is it? I believe it's here. No, it's this one. You know, guys, I probably yep. Oh, here it is. Yay, I found it. Here it is. There you go. Yeah, I found it. So here it is. Boom. There it is. So something like this I'm forecasting, guys. You see? It takes me a while because here on TradingView you have so many things that it gets a little bit worried. But the idea is the following, everybody. You have this bull run, this bull cycle you're seeing right now on the screen. Okay, I get it. 2021, the beginning of 2021, end of 2020 was one of the best ones we've seen. When is that next bull run happening, guys? I gotta tell you, from completely true, honestly, it does seem, from what I see right now, that it could happen later on in 2022. It could happen later on 2022. We just need to start leaving this downtrend. As I can tell you right here, we had this downtrend in May when it comes to the China banning. Then we had a little bit of a climb up. Well, what we're looking is a lot of people right now, we've been buying the 2021 cryptocurrency dream. A lot of people, and me included. Here, sometime in 2022, guys, can be Q1, can be Q2. Nobody knows. I don't know. But what I know is that if I'm buying the dip eventually, because you really think the dollar is going to save us? Like, you guys really think the dollar is going to save us? If you think that way, mercy on you. I'm just kidding. No, it's fine. Don't worry. The idea is, no, guys, the NFTs, DeFi, decentralized finance, I mean, cryptocurrency stablecoins are going to literally move the next generation forward. That's my belief. That's what I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're liking the live. The idea, guys, is that I'm buying tons of ADA. I'm buying tons of algorand. I'm buying tons of Ethereum. I'm buying tons of AMP token. I'm buying tons of different other cryptos. So the next bull run, it's finally my, hey, dude, I'm crushing it on crypto. Are you? You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing right now. Because in 2021, the cryptocurrencies that I've been buying, it's just being flat. Really not that 100% or 80% retracement. It's just kind of being flat, a little bit up. The next bull run is going to set me apart. Yep, it will set me apart. So we have to be ready for that, everybody. Let's go. Man, it's insane. We're in a bear market, philosophy of hustle the dawn. It does appear so, right? It does appear so that we're still in the no ball sun, but it's totally fine. That's what I'm saying in this case. I'm looking forward for this nice and delicious bull run that we had at the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021 when we started to see what did that happen. Of course, it happened because definitely the Federal Reserve, the government here in the United States, injecting a lot of money. You remember the free money and all these different stimulus packages that helped a lot of the economy in a good way. But definitely right now, Papa Powell is saying, okay, those 8 trillion, bring it back, baby. And that is what's causing a tremble. If we go back to, where is it? Here it is. Look at the stocks, man. Oh, baby. This is insane. Like, Apple back at 160, so delicious. Microsoft at 300, so delicious. Guys, this is your call for you to maybe start getting some delicious stocks for this amazing dip. It's not going to be like this forever, right? It's not going to be like this forever. We'll go ahead and start refreshing this 1.90. So it's in between 1.86. Well, I mean, I saw Bitcoin at 39,000 beauties. 39,000. Let me give you a thought. I heard BitBoy Crypto, our delicious and friend BitBoy Crypto, the crazy one, and he's saying that he was gonna start selling off at 40,000. I watched a video of him a couple weeks ago, and I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna go back to his channel and see if what he's saying about. I mean, I like to listen to the guy. Why not? Just to kind of hear all the different kinds of opinions, right? But 40,000, it's the level that a lot of investors were looking at right now to start selling and liquidating their positions, because I mean, it still hasn't broken that support massively. We see how it was rejected. That support was rejected, which is great. It's great that it was rejected. If we start seeing everybody, if we start seeing Bitcoin in the upcoming days, because this is very uncertain. The FUD is huge. People are selling more than they're buying, in my opinion. I'm talking about the institutional investors, right? The retail investors, I believe that we're buying the crazy thing out of this, honestly. So if we start seeing Bitcoin start sliding down less than the 40 to the 30,000, then what I can tell you with higher degree of certainty is that we're here for the long run at this level. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the bummer. That's gonna be the bummer. That I'm telling you just as it is, and what I've been doing my research on, and what I think is gonna be happening. As we know that we have some few awesome months of bull momentum that we can reach the skies. It also in crypto, it seems, and it has happened before, how it takes a while for the market to correct and come back, right? So I think as we continue this week, the beginning of the week barely, can't believe it. If I start seeing, of course, Bitcoin at less than 40,000, if it's at 40,000 plus 45, 43, good, we're nice. But oftentimes, as we've seen in the technical analysis, we continue sideways trading in the 40,000s and then starts dropping down. It's the classic technical analysis feature that we have oftentimes, right? So there's a lot of things to happen, especially in the markets right now. A lot of uncertainty. It's unstable, but don't we like it, guys? Welcome aboard. Don't we like it? Havoc saying 2022 is a year of birth, sadly. Well, if that's the case, guys, then YouTube is gonna be so sexy. Now, on the other hand, what can we do to stay profitable? Because definitely, like, let's go back to all the coins, guys. Where are meme coins? Where are our winners? Are like, let's have some fun to the moon, baby. They're here. Look at our delicious Shiba Inu, guys. 20% down in the last 7 days for like 26, guys. A lot of my Shiba Inu holders right now are, of course, not in a good place. I'm including myself. with the money that I have invested, right? My amazing and beautiful Crocoin investors, here I am, guys. I bought Crocoin 55 cents. Yes, I'm telling you right now, I bought it at 55 cents. Look at the price right now. Am I panicking? Am I selling? Of course not. Gladly, I'm staking, so I'm making money on the side. So those are the couple of things I tell you, because you guys are awesome. You're my viewers, my subscribers. I tell you that. I like how people say, I mean, your mistakes, you learn from what you do. Obviously, right? The idea is, of course, not panic sell. My algorand people, look at this 22. So algorand is coming back down to the 134. Have you seen Cardano? 112. It was worse, Cardano. It was worse. It was close to the less than $1. I saw it. So all of these cryptocurrencies right now, everybody, massive prices that they're giving us. Massive prices. I love it. Let me go ahead and take a look at the chat right now. Yeah, bear market sounds so depressed in Texas, fan. I know accumulation phase sounds better. Have a good one, Oscar. I gotta get back to work. Habib, thank you, bro. Appreciate it for being here. That means I'm broke, not about the discount. Buenos dias, Oscar. Hey, Jose, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. That is another thing, right? If you feel that you're broke right now in these times, you're probably investing too much. So you gotta make sure you have your limits, right? With some money, but hey, you go for it, you risk it for the biscuit, and at the end of the day, you're gonna be the one laughing at the end with a lot of money. That, of course, if you invest in projects that you really believe in, that are great, that they have a long-term future. That's what I believe. So guys, helium is another beautiful one, $30. So all of these projects are fantastic, and that was, I think, what I was saying at the beginning of this live, everybody. Although the price is down, why is cryptocurrency down? Why are we suffering this? Well, since I started crypto, which was, let me tell you, when I started crypto, guys, this is insane. Since I started crypto right about here on this white line, this is the longest we've had like a hard time in crypto, the longest, because this was quick. This was really quick. This is taking a while, and I feel it. Let's go, Omar. The first super chat of the live. Buenos dias, guys. Good morning. What's going on? Let's go. Can you check out the Pradar? What is that? Welcome over. If you can explain that, that'll be even better. How's it going, everybody? Where are my diamond hands right now? Let's go. I know. It's up in time. Omar Hernandez, welcome.
Can you check out DePradar?
DePradar. I have no idea. Let me know what that is, please. Market down. What you doing, fam? It's time to talk. Are we holding? Are we buying? Are we panic selling, which I expect to see 0% here. Expect to see 0% in panic selling. If you're taking something from this live, it's not to panic sell. Can't believe it. Queens, what's going on? Oscar, I have 9K Crow coins. Any chance I make 6 figures of this coin by next year? Queens, that is a great question. Let me tell you something. Let's see. 9K, I have 8K, almost 9K. So I have almost the same amount of coins that you have. So you have roughly about $5,000. $5,000 right now. Let's say you bought it at 50 cents, just to give you an average price. That 2x's. So 50 goes to $1. Your 5 goes to $10,000, right? So you need Crow to go passing that $3 to $5 mark for you to be much closer to that 6 figures. The idea here is to leave it staking and just let the coin ride. If you really wanna become a Crow coin 6-figure holder, you should have bought way before the pump, the Coinbase pump. That was my miss out. I miss out on Crow coin. Big leak. That's how I started talking about Crocoin, which I end up finding about Crocoin, and I'm like, this is so great. So I bought late. But a lot of people, I'm going to go back to Crowcoin right now. A lot of people, and here it is, guys. We got to 42 cents. A lot of people bought Crowcoin at a great price, guys. Because it hasn't been that long. It hasn't been that long. Here it is. Here. Boom. And even, because I didn't know about Crowcoin, honestly, guys. There's so many coins that I've been looking at here. So imagine buying it at less than 20 cents or 10 cents. That is exactly to answer your question, right? So great question. I mean, at this time, you are getting your chances much higher for that 6 figures. And that is why I'm buying more Crow. I've said it in my live yesterday. I'm saying it again. I've been saying it for a while. In the cryptocurrencies that you have faith in, that you are putting your money in, you better do tons of research about it. And one of the things I like about Crow, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Crowcrypto.com. First and foremost, I like to go to their website. It's so perfect. Oh, wait. I'm missing one. I added one extra C. So here it is, guys. First and foremost, Matt Damon. Like, are you kidding me? Matt Damon, please, of course. I don't watch his movies that much, but anyway, that's not important. Where is it? Company. Come on. Partners. So go to partners and under company, and then bam, all of this. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and remove my classic camera. So I mean, you're still hearing me. So the idea here it is that in this year with Crow, guys, Crypto Arena, leave Comebol. As you know, guys, I'm from Mexico, so I know exactly what Comebol is. I used to watch it a lot. We Mexicans like soccer. Formula One, Checo Perez. If you're Mexican, you know what I'm talking about. Fanatic, which this is a gaming professional team, which I watch because I like to play League of Legends. So I have some connections with all of these partners in some way or the other, right? So that is great. UFC, Ronda Rousey, and what's the other guy? The Irish guy, McGregor. There you go. So all of these Twitch rival, I believe that's new. I think that's new. Well, if I'm mistaken, sorry, but yeah, I mean, all of this is like perfect company for this type of partnerships. And then the crypto.com arena, which I really badly want to go. So you are looking ahead on Crow, and if you are really looking at becoming wealthy on Crow, I think at this point you do need a lot of Crow to become a millionaire. But just actually, let's go to Coin Perspective, right, and see how far we can be. For me, I'm of course not gonna be putting like $100,000 on Crow because first I don't have them. But the idea is that I mean I would love to, right? You put whatever you want, and we'll be fine. What's going on, everybody? If you're liking the like, go ahead and smash the like button. Consider subscribing, and welcome aboard, everybody. Why crypto crash? Going back to the main point of this video, right? We're talking about different cryptos right now and enjoying the dip. We're enjoying the dip. That's what I can tell you right now. I'm just bought it right now, and really, I have 12% panic sellers. Come on, friends. 12% panic sellers. Man, you better don't tell us who you are. I'm just kidding. Man, that is insane. Don't forget to vote. So this is just a time to enjoy and relax and unite as investors. That's it. If you guys enjoy the channel or in some way you want to stay connected, come to the lives and honestly just have fun with us, because it is what it is. Like we know exactly that these projects and these cryptocurrency prices have, these crypto projects have future. It's just that the markets is just crushing us right now. It is what it is. Welcome. You bought 25K Crow at 8 cents each. I don't like you, Angel. That's so awesome, man. That's so awesome. If you go ahead and start comparing right off the get-go, right, 500% up, crypto had Binance coins market cap. Now, We have to be strategic, and we have to analyze at everything when it comes to this comparison. First and foremost, Binance has million total supply, so it makes sense for this price, and it makes sense for the level that they have. If you go ahead and do max, you see how Binance, and this is exactly another reason that I wanted to mention, guys, right? Which I was saying when it comes to the market crash or the bear market. Look at this. This is not even 5 years ago. This is one and a half years ago. Like this is at the end of 2020. We exploded in 2021. So if you're watching this video, if you're wondering when is the market gonna come up, well, just analyze that in last year we had this massive bull. It was our mistake, right? My mistake not finding these gems and buying it early, which what happens with Crowcoin in my case. Can you imagine buying BNB at $28, $30, and right now 400? So a couple of things to think about, right? So when it comes to here it is. The only one that I can think of is comparing it to Binance, right? Not because, that's the one that comes closer. A lot of people, I've been hearing that it's gonna pass Binance. So what happens if that's the case? I've been watching some videos even outside. So let's go ahead and start messing around with this one, shall we? So first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and reduce my window so you see this better. So assuming that we have the same total supply, we're gonna go ahead and start adding more price. More market cap. So if I start including this more and more, some people are even like I'm hearing it's gonna get to $14. So $14 Crow, 362.3 billion. That is coming close to Ethereum's market cap. So not even Ethereum's market cap. So 31x. Like if we start comparing to Ethereum, that is 31x. Bitcoin will be 69x at $30. So of course, this is way long when it comes to Crowcoin. Will it ever reach these levels? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. But what I first want to know, first thing I tell to my dear AMP token holders, my AMP token community, and my VVS community, now all the communities that I love, is let's first get to step A. And what is step A, guys? Crow passing $1. We know that's going to happen. I know Crow passing $1 has to happen. But we need to realize that if Crowcoin, going back to the charts right now, if Crowcoin passes $1 by a pump, guess what's going to happen right after? Like if Crowcoin does this to get $1, guess what's going to happen? Not good things are going to happen out of it, right? It's going to happen a massive sell-off right after. It is what it is. So what I'm looking for is for Crowcoin to grow like Terra Luna did. What did Terra Luna did? Something more slowly but surely and climbing all the way to the top. That's what I'm looking for Crowcoin, right? That's what I think will be the ideal scenario. Will that ever happen? Probably not, knowing cryptocurrency investing. But that is, I think, my main goal for Crowcoin, right? I'm still gonna hold it for long years to go. But I'm very excited. Of course, we know that oftentimes Crowcoin starts burning tokens or so that's another thing to add. Isn't that exciting? Just to think about all these different coins and tokens. This is the position where I think a lot of us want to start accumulating, right? I'm going to start accumulating. As some of you were saying in the channel or in the chat, some of you have way more. Buy as much as you think it's prudent, and in times of need and fear, hold it, baby. Let's go. Don't hold Doge. It's already had its run. Dogecoin, that's another one for another video, definitely. I don't have any Dogecoin. You guys already know that. In which direction you think it will VVS go? Possibly goes to zero. Techo, VVS. Look, if I'm saying right now that Crowcoin is gonna take a while, VVS in my opinion, it's gonna take twice that while. VVS Finance is a DeFi project, very new, adding more coins, adding more tokens, adding more utility, which is fantastic. By looking at everything thus far, I think we are setting up ourselves for a nice crypto later on. But hey, the beauty of cryptocurrencies is that, and this is something I was looking at later on, is that it pumps super hard when at levels that you don't expect, and it crashes super hard at levels that you don't expect. So it's not like stocks that you at least have some sort of ranges and they don't really fall off those ranges because they're stocks, right? Crypto is not that way. Crypto is like, okay, I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna make sure it crashes so bad that people are gonna start hating me. Period. And then I'm gonna pump so much that people are gonna start dying for me to get me. That's what happens. That's really cryptocurrency in a nutshell. In a nutshell. So although the market is garbage or might be garbage to you in your eyes, it will later on, it will come back very nicely, guys. What do you think? Let's go and give us a little thumbs up, subscribe if you're liking the channel. We're talking about crypto and what's happening right now. And let's go. Thank you guys for stopping with me and talking about crypto, because we're really liking it thus far. This is what we do. I'm gonna go ahead and close the poll right now and see what's going on and how's my people reacting. Let me go ahead and go to the 5-day on Bitcoin and see how we're doing and chilling on this one. So, oh man, the 12% panic sellers are still here, man. That's insane. So take a look at this while we arrange our charts right now. This is the what happened earlier today to the cryptocurrency space. And if we are gonna start doing some crypto analysis, we do need to take a look at Bitcoin, that's for sure, because that's what it kind of determines what's going to happen later on, right? So we see a massive sell, massive dump. So already, I believe the whales already depleted everything, and it's just for us to start taking a look at what's going on. 39,000, as you know, that's the level. For Crowcoin, let's go ahead and do that same too. We reach 42. So 42, that's what we reach for Crow. There it is. Bam. 42, baby. But these levels are fantastic, everybody, to be honest with you. So we have holding 47% and buying 40%. Let's go, guys. Where are my diamond handlers here? We have, hey, guys, we do have to cheer up ourselves, like, because there's not going to be anybody else doing it. Veva, we love crypto, of course. ACH running high. Oh, no kidding, really? Oh, because it was added on people are saying on, there it is, on Binance. Well, AMP token was added on Binance. Oh, here it is. Yep, here it is. So it pumped and it dumped completely. Nice. I need the other ACH on Alchemy Pay. They typically, I believe I've used this one before. Here it is. Alchemy Pay Tether. So here it is. Boom. It pumped massive because of Binance listing, and then it's coming back. Yeah. Somewhat what happened with AMP token too. If you guys didn't know. Boom. Stayed here, and then it's coming back down. All the stories. But ACH Crypto is another good one for sure. Oh, baby. Let's go. Correct. Reserve most of my cash to buying, guys. HK. Good stuff. Oscar, I noticed something on AMP on trading view on January 8. January 8. That's cool. It said it dipped all the way to... Oh, yeah, it often happens, little mistakes in some of the exchanges. I'm sure it didn't happen on Gemini. If you checked it out, was it on Gemini? But typically Gemini is cruel at capturing all those different issues, but it comes back all the way to the price that people know it is. Nice. So don't we like it, everybody? All these prices, man, especially on Crow. Like I've been telling you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and chill for a little bit right here. Um, man, I've been putting a lot of money in crypto for the last year. It's fine. It's fine. The only thing I need is for everything to come back, and I'll be like in the clouds, right? We'll be chilling. Gemini listed Doge loan over Solana. Oh, that's true. You're right. AMP, AMP token hurts. My AMP token holders, if you're watching, some of you guys, I'm still here, bro. I'm still here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. We're still here when I'm talking, man. One of the projects that have so many fundamentals, so much fundamental, and then just little recognition. I've seen that tweet on like that meme on Twitter, but it is what it is. I think every single community can say that about their own token, right? So imagine the Bitcoin holders in 2012, 2011 saying the same thing, but now that we can see it actually going berserker on the price, it changes everything, right? Changes everything. So it's just a little boring in the markets right now to see everything that like this. Let me tell you something, guys, something pretty cool. In December, I had so much time to do so much content here on YouTube, but the prices were doo-doo. So it wasn't that exciting. But it is what it is. We like it, guys. All my low limit order from 2 days ago went through. Great job, Sam. Kudos. Kudos. Staking Crow. Yes, Staking Crow. Go to your application and stake it. Very nice, very easy. Are you participating on the initial gem on VVS? Not at this time. Probably I'll do it later. Probably. Right now I'm looking. I have other goals for my money, but I do have VVS. So yeah, I mean, that's a good question for sure. Since I already know how the markets are right now, like I know where I'm gonna focus on. I mentioned I need to build up my Roth IRA because the prices are right now to die for. So Roth IRA, let's go. And then I'll go ahead and branch out into other different trading cryptos. There's just a lot of things to do for sure. Hey, Boko, what's going on? Welcome, Virgian. Welcome aboard. I'm new to the cryptocurrency market, so I'm loving this market. Hey, there you go, guys. This is what it is. This is what it is. We like it. Let me go ahead and take a look very quickly to the beautiful AMP token. So what's going on with our delicious AMP? And it's not going through. Let me see. There it is. It's okay. There it is. Finally. Took a while. Boom. Okay. It's probably taking a while. That's cool. Blessings, Lucas. What's going on? I'm new to your page. Do you think Sandbox, Mana, and other Metaverse coins are a good buy? Absolutely. Absolutely. That is the what was I gonna say? Metaverse easily very good buy. I focused on Metaverse for a while, and I think it's gonna be fantastic. For those of you guys who are coming in, why is cryptocurrency down? Why are we experiencing this crypto crash or so? Well, different scenarios, right? We have the Fed not injecting the money that it was back in the day used for the pandemic. Interest rate on the 10-year bond yield increasing. And Kazakhstan, of course, on January the 5th and 6th, having a massive shutdown when it comes to the minings. Of course, now it's being restored little by little. So geopolitical unrest, as always, in 2021, we carry it all the way to 2022 and the pandemic. So what else do we want? All of these reasons for a nice bear market to continue Bitcoin's 40,000 price rally to sideways trading. And the point to do, what in the world to do, buying the dip, my friends. Crypto crash, that's the title. Buying the dip, Croco and Shiba Inu, Bitcoin live. It is what it is, guys. I know it's boring. Oftentimes we see it as a game buying the dip, but you need to know that once it starts running, guess who's gonna be laughing at the end of the day? It's gonna be us. It's going to be us at the end of the day. It's going to be us. Bitcoin dipped below 40,000 for the first time since September of last year, putting it on pace for its worst start of the year since the earliest days of the digital alternative to money. So the earliest state of Bitcoin, right? And of course, the stock market also declining. So it is a nice way of crypto and going through the things. Companies like Crowcoin, right? Companies like Crowcoin that VNV. I mean, Binance is another company, guys, that you can buy on Crowcoin. Actually, you can buy BNB on Crow if you didn't know that. So if you're looking for that, I mean, go ahead and check it out. But I'm sold off on Crow right now. I have my positions well established on Crow, AMP, Algo, Cardano, Ethereum, and I forgot maybe one. So I gotta keep holding, man, on those, because the idea, of course, is if crypto.com had Bitcoin's not Bitcoin's, but Binance market cap, that will be a 500% increase. So me and a lot of people, we are super, super bullish on these cryptocurrencies, and we're waiting to see that price continue. And I think it's preparing for Super Bowl for promotions and crypto awareness. That's another one. I've heard that too for Crow. So let me go to the Twitter account. By the way, everybody, if you're watching this video and you're a crypto beginner, investor beginning, you might want to go ahead and take a look at the link on the top of the chat. That's my Discord page on Patreon. That's another way to support the community and the channel. And of course, join my private exclusive community. If you have any questions, I'll help you guys out. We're building something there. Appreciate you taking a look at, of course. What is this? Bitcoin Magazine new Jack Dorsey blog is hiring a team of the next generation of Bitcoin. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you, do you think big tech and the ultra rich are stopping in crypto and NFTs and the metaverse? They're not. So if they're not, why would we, right? They have the monies, they are the whales, and I don't see them stopping at all when it comes to crypto investing. So why would we? So every single day I open my Twitter account, I see posts like this, and it's just, everybody is so bull right now. Everybody wants to see NFT on Cardano. This is Pavia. I have so many patrons telling me, about this one, which is fantastic stuff. So there's a lot of different things, and even our dear BitBoy Crypto, what is he saying? We've been through some pretty remarkable action in alts and Bitcoin. This year can see something more incredible. So then we continue on board. Yeah, I mean, it is great when you have even other companies and influencers coming out and saying, hey, you got a hold, fam. Don't let it go. Take a look at this, guys. Crypto markets on the crypto.com. Of course, link source to bear market conditions and Bitcoin trembles to, what we're seeing right now. And the new pairs on crypto.com institutional. Am I following this? Oh, gotta follow now. Luna, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, and now available at the crypto.com exchange. We like it, guys. We like it. And one of the things that I've told you before, right? The reasons why I like Crow is that they're really active on the Instagram. I like when a company and a project that it's the way that it is, for sure. Your channel link is incomplete on your stream description. Ooh, my bad. You can go to my page channel and you'll see it right there. Cardano is a good buy as well. AC Garcia, absolutely. ACH didn't get the tip memo. Rafael, it came up all the way to Binance, but now it's coming down, of course. Obviously everyone from a year ago has gotten sideswiped to hype and not knowing what they were doing. Well, yeah, they were down by the dip at the highest. Should have had problem buying now. Yep, that's true. I think that's a good point, right? 1 year ago, a lot of people were buying like crazy, and right now we see the prices come, so we need to be looking at absolutely. Oh, baby, that is nice. At this point, all cryptos on my exchange are good to buy. Timoteo, yep. Let's see. In the 7 days, Internet Computer does far 20% in 7 days, so that's not bad. Curve DAO token, that's another one that is like Gala. Look at Gala, man. Remember, guys, when Gala was our guy? Well, still, I have positions on Gala, and look, I'm dead. Now, The positions I have on Gala are, a couple hundreds of dollars, so I'm still gonna hold it, right? If you're watching this video, you have to understand that we're buying some projects oftentimes because the hype is good. You might want to trade or so. Don't just put a lot of money in a project that is just hyping, because this is exactly what's going to happen. And you may lose a lot of money if you don't play the market right. On Gala, I put a couple hundreds of dollars, so I'm still holding. Definitely, I'm down. Axe Infinity, I bought. And a Helium, I bought a couple of them. So Terra Luna, guys, are awesome. Almost $100 one, ranked 9. Right now, it's let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 month. Even Terra Luna, take a look at this. We have $102, 63, 68, 70. Yep. So one of the things I always tell my people, my subscribers, my patrons, no matter how great your crypto project is, the price manipulation is real. What do I mean? That yes, you can explode, but it doesn't mean that you're gonna go back to the price you were before that explosion. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you better, if you're doing this the right way, if you want to make the money and then get out, once it's up significantly, get out. Because if not, some other people will do it. And that's what happens. What I do is, okay, I wait for the dip, for example here, and I buy some nice chunk and I just hold it. Because I know it will continue rising, but probably it's also continue going down. So that's what I do when it comes to holding, right? I'm buying somewhere here. Don't go with the frenzy and buy at the peaks or so on. How do you can see, well, Oscar, how do I know it's the peak, right? Well, that's when you come to the technical analysis. For example, to Crow, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the 4 hours, right? 4 hours on Crow, right about here. Take a look at this. So I'm going to start looking at all the indicators, and I see on the RSI that we are really down. So that is a great opportunity. On the stochastic RSI, it does look like we're up. So probably downtrend in the upcoming 4 hours or 1 hour. And then I have my Bollinger Bands that tells me too what's going on. The Bollinger Bands are ones that I like the most. So you see how we haven't reached the top of the Bollinger Bands since January the 1st. We haven't touched the top of the Bollinger Bands since January 1st. So we're going to be touching it, but at a lower level, right? So those are the key points that you want to take a look at right now. So the price is here. We are at the bottom. So we're going to be going to the top. So this is a great time for day trading this cryptocurrency. It's a great time. Buying $1,000 right now, waiting for a couple of hours, selling it, then buying again once it drops and selling it. That is how you make a lot of money. To be honest with you, now is the time to stack your coins and make more money. Thank you all the way from Austin, Texas. You got yourself a new follower. Thank you, AC Garcia. Appreciate that a lot. If you guys are liking the live, go ahead and smash the like button. Consider subscribing. We're talking about crypto and investing today and showing you. Ooh, I see that green candlestick right now. You saw that? That was pretty awesome. That's when you are really up, or like when you're seeing this at a nice close-up view, which is great. Any thought on Harmony One? Rebut, man. Thanks to Cryptos R Us, which I love the guy, by the way. I love to watch him. I know there's this DeFi project that you're getting a lot of money, and that's another reason why DeFi is gonna be the killer of savings account. To be honest with you, every single time you have money on the side, never put it in a savings account. That goes to me. Remember, not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. But if you have money on the side, $100, why would you put it when you are getting 1% when you can get 400%? You see what I'm saying? That's how I started with VVS Finance. Very, very simple finance, getting 600%. Right now it's 200%, classic. But the idea is that. So Harmony One, going back to the question, it's they do have some projects alienated to DeFi. So specifically, blockchains, protocols that will have the ability to have dApps built on them. For example, you have utility tokens like CAM token, Anchor. They have a purpose and nothing can be built on them. But you also have blockchains, projects that you can build dApps on them. So you have to understand what's going on. For example, on Crocoin is a token from Ethereum, but they have a Kronos blockchain where you have VVS Finance, right? So that's the difference. Oh, crypto, don't we love it? Don't we love it, everybody? Let me go ahead and take a look at the last comments right now. Hey, guys, thank you, Oscar. And you share stacking Dot and Matic. Dot and Matic, I highly recommend. Highly recommend. Those are some of the good projects, too. Dot, of course, you have one of the co-founders of Ethereum, so what else do you want? Dot is a good one, for sure. Little bounce, absolutely. Perfect, my friends. My friends. You are insane. Guys, I mean, can't believe it. The price, I'm going to go back to right here. I'm going to close this. Terra Luna, 1.90. So what are we seeing right now? 1.90. Everyone, how are we starting Monday? Man, with a nice dip in all the markets. Time to buy, baby. Buying the dip. Diamond hands. Not leaving. I'm not leaving. How about you? How about you, everybody? I want to say thank you so very much for watching, guys. Please be safe. There's a lot of things coming up, more videos coming up later too, of course, with the thoughts on different cryptocurrencies. It's going to be so fun. Make sure you like, consider subscribing. If anything, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll catch you later, guys. Peace. God bless, guys. Let's go. Thank you so very much to the members, donations, and everything. You guys are awesome. Catch you later in the next live.